what you're doing if your MSP website isn't generating leads consistently. Maybe it looks okay, and maybe it feels fine, but here's the brutal truth. It might be working against you. Your website is your 24/7 salesperson. If it's slow, outdated, hard to find on Google, or untrustworthy, you're handing leads straight to your competitors without even realizing it. So let's break this down. First, your website is more than a digital brochure. It's your credibility builder, your first impression, and the cornerstone of everything you do in MSP marketing. If it loads slower than your pizza delivery, people leave before they even digest your message. And if it's not mobile friendly, you're bleeding visitors before they click anything. And if it isn't secure, forget about trust. And so here's the kicker. Even if your site looks great, it still might not be discoverable. And that's where your answer engine optimization, or AEO, comes into play. AEO is the smarter evolution of SEO. And instead of just stuffing keywords on a page and hoping for rankings, AEO is about giving real direct answers to the exact questions your best prospects are searching for. So imagine someone Googles, why do businesses need an MSP? If your site doesn't clearly answer that in a way search engines recognize, your competitor wins the query, the click, and maybe the deal. AEO is how you make sure your content shows up in search, voice results, featured answered boxes, and AI-assisted answers that buyers rely on today. So start with the basics. Run a site audit. Fix slow loading pages, patch broken links, and make sure everything works on mobile. Add SSL certs so browsers don't flag your site as not secure. These are foundational, and without them, nothing else you do will stick. And then you go deeper with AEO. Create FAQ content that answers the questions your prospects are actually asking. Structure it to be snippable, meaning direct answers that search engines can pull into featured results. Use schema markup so search engines understand exactly what your content is and why it matters. This isn't optional. If your site can't be found or doesn't provide clarity, you're invisible. If you're invisible, you're losing leads every single day. Your website shouldn't just exist. It should work for you. It should rank better. It should attract qualified prospects. It should convert. And if it's not doing that yet, you need to fix it now. If you want marketing that actually produces results and not theory, and you want simple, real-world strategies you can implement this week, click the link in the description and subscribe to the weekly MSP marketing newsletter. This is straight talk MSP marketing that works.